My colleagues, for the last 8 hours, I have had the privilege of reading the testimony of so many dreamers. I still have more, but I'll either just submit. But I thank all of you. I wanted to end. It's a privilege to read the eloquent statement of the Dreamers as they express their love of America, their commitment to a better future for our country and their own families' better future. It was a double honor to do so with the recommendations of the testimony that you all extended, presented, recommended these testimonials, and to have so many of you here in the course of the day, real tribute to the respect that we have for our dreamers. So I accept your applause on behalf of them, because it was their story in their words, by and large, that I told. In addition to the Bible and the Catholic Conference of Bishops and Pope Francis and Pope Benedict, so many other religious groups that we have. But I thank all of you, and our basic request is honor the House of Representatives. Give us a chance to have it vote on the floor. The Republican leader in the Senate, Mitch McConnell, has gone forward with the budget proposal with the promise that he will give that opportunity to floor the Senate. The Senate will work its will. We'll see what they produce. And we'll work our will here and see what we produce. But it must be bipartisan, transparent, and unifying. And we think that there's been a lot of groundwork. In our case, the Hurd-Aguilar bill is one option. The Senate bill may be another option. There may be other options that are proposed. I'm just talking about the bipartisan ones. With that, though, again, I thank the staff of the House of Representatives, the various speakers of the House who have been up there with such courtesy. He smiled. But most of all, let us thank and acknowledge the Dreamers for their courage, their optimism, their inspiration to make America more American. Thank you, my colleagues.